Hello, I'm Robert Pry, and this is another Bertolini how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to install your aftermarket communion cup holder on your armchair. What I like to do is lighten it up, usually put it like on the right side of the chair, well it's the left side, but the right on the back. And you're going to line this up just like that, even with this. You can actually put it anywhere you like, but that is just our recommended area. Then take a self-tapping screw that's provided with the cordless drill motor. Start drilling in there. Now take it and line it up. Take the other screw that's provided. A little more power. There we go. And there you have your communion cup holder on the armchair. Thank you for watching this video. And if you ever have any questions on the care or maintenance of your chairs, please contact Bertolini Customer Care Department at the toll-free number located underneath your seat cushion.